wish to register a complaint.
Sorry, we're closed for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot, what I purchased not half an hour ago from this very boutique.
Oh, yes, the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No, he's resting.
Matey, I know a dead parrot when I see one. And I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's not dead, Squire. He's resting. Remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue, innit, eh? Beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't enter into it. He's stone dead.
No, he's resting.
All right, then, if he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Mr. Polly Parrot. I've got a nice fresh cuttlefish for you if you wake up.
There, he moved.
No, he didn't. That was you. Put him in the plate.
Oh, never!
Yes,
Oh,
you did. Hello, Polly. Wakey, wakey. Testing. This is your 9 o'clock alarm call. Now that's what I call a dead parrot.